All right, welcome to Adobe Golive CS2. If you haven't yet launched Golive at this point, please do that at this time. Now what we're going to be doing in this video is showing you how you can access the free web account that came along with these videos. The reason we're doing that now is that you'll notice a pretty good chunk of Golive's UI is grayed out and inaccessible at this time, and we won't really be able to use any of it until we get something in here that we can work on, such as a website. Right. So let's go ahead and go to File, New, and we get the Site Creation Wizard. So Create Site is selected along with Blank Site. That's exactly what we want. So we will click Next. Now we need a name for this site. Now this is not the name that you will see on the internet. This is something completely local. This is actually going to be the name of a folder on your computer somewhere. So I'm going to call this Logging because in my case I'm creating a website about logging. You can call it whatever you want. You also have a choice of path for where you want to save this on your system. So right now it's going into my Documents folder. That's great. We'll leave it there. Click Next. Use a version control system. No, we're not going to be using any of that, so don't worry about it. Just click Next. Specify a server now or later. Let's go ahead and do this now. Now the first option we have under our server is the nickname. This is something strictly for your record. This is a way that you can tell one server apart from another, and it really doesn't matter what you call this. So just as an example, I will call the nickname of the server 3D Buzz Free Web Account. And again, you can call it anything. You can call it Marshmallow if you want to. Our protocol is going to be FTP. Now the server name, this is in your case too, so you can follow along with everything I've typed so far. Well, except for logging. You probably want to call something else, but that's fine if you do call it logging because it's on your own computer.
That's right.
Our server is going to be web.3dbuzz. I can type really 3dbuzz.com. So make sure you've typed that. Go ahead and leave the directory name blank for the time being. Under username, you will use the username that was supplied to you by 3dbuzz along with the password. So in my case, it is logging. And I have a password. I'm not going to tell you what it is, though. And don't ever share your password with anybody either. Just remember, you're going to be using the username and password supplied by 3dbuzz. And click Finish. And you will connect right up, and here is your logging site. Or my logging site, anyways. Yeah. Now, if you have any problems connecting to your account, please contact support@3dbuzz.com, support @3dbuzz.com. That's numeral 3dbuzz.com. And again, just as a reminder, this free account has been given to you more or less as a scratch pad to try out your new web design skills on. It is not a professional web hosting medium, meaning that there is no technical support for it. Mm-hmm. We will help you with any connection issues that we can, but we're not going to be here to answer every single question that you are having. If you are looking to start a business or some major website chain that's like some, I don't know, the next big company, then you might want to consider getting a web account from one of the major fully supported sites. So really that's everything I wanted to cover in this video because now you'll notice that we have our logging site open. The rest of Golive's user interface has magically come to life and we can start doing things, creating things, clicking on buttons. And in the next video, Rob is going to introduce us to this UI and show us what it can do.
Okay.
So that'll wrap it up for this video. Thanks a lot.